Hi everyone, my name is Fatima Al-Raji, and this is me introducing the Industrial Upcycle Revolution. The Industrial Upcycle Revolution is here to challenge the way that people consume products. It also brings solutions to, reducing waste, but also allows your devices and products to give a second chance at making you happy. Everyone has dealt with their appliance or device, technological device breaking. And, in today's society, things are not designed to become fixed. So, my business endeavor is to create a solution to that. You know, especially considering things that, might be old, but if they're in perfect condition, then like, why not? Why not fix it? Like, why not find a solution that makes it still useful in today's society? Otherwise, this, perfect appliance will end up in a landfill when everything inside of it could be used either um, to be, fixed or in another product as well. In today's society, like I mentioned before, things aren't necessarily designed to be fixed. They're just designed to be thrown away. And my service is here to really just allow people that don't want to keep up with the Johnsons to, hold on to their devices a little longer and also enjoy them and just uh lower their environmental impact. And I know to some that might be very important. Like me, I would always strive to lower my environmental impact. This is what it would look like when someone would be looking for, this service. So the whole purpose of the industrial upcycle revolution is that anybody can come in with any type of device and we would provide a solution. And if we don't, we would figure out a way to, scrap your device and use the products that are salvageable for other things that can be fixed, and customers could be paid. But anybody that wants to, fix their device, we would find a solution. And this is what it would look like, when a customer comes in and they're like, what can you do for me? I have fairly like straightforward, um, a fairly straightforward menu, where we can, diagnose your device and we can tell you what's going on. Um, I can diagnose your device and then tell you and use new products from the manufacturer to fix it. I can diagnose your device and use things that are salvaged from other people's products, or we can completely salvage your thing, your excuse me, your device, and then I can give you money for the things that are useful within your device that will be used for people that choose option number three. And like I would like to mention that, my shop or my service will, is designed to be extremely accessible. We could use like the United States Postal Services, and we would strategically locate around universities and really urban and populated areas. So anybody that would like to, get their devices fixed, they can have access to that. This is my comparative analysis of what Industrial Upcycle Revolution is compared to the Geek Squad at Best Buy, You Break It, I Fix It by Aserion and GameStop, where, we are as accessible and as, financially responsible, as possible. Here's my revenue model for Industrial Upcycle Revolution. Um, the entire purpose of this is to, be as responsibly priced as possible. And that all just become, I mean, that is all decided, by the market value of these certain things, and which is, excuse me, clients that are selling their property will be offered one third of the market value cost of like the products, the ones that they're selling to us. And when reusing those components scrapped from previous clients' products, people that will use items will be sold those items at market value. That way, there's no one's getting ripped off and everyone's paying this like fair price. Another great way of improving society and school curriculums and incorporating the industrial upcycle revolution in that is incorporating this as a lab for a grade at universities or as a co-op, like at ASU downtown, ASU Tempe, there's like that bike co-op, cooperative. This can help, students learn industrial skills and also create a wide variety of things that are being exposed to a wide variety of things that are mechanized, while students, develop unique skills and work to solve hard problems. Another, our university professors and stuff like that would be also considered experienced technicians at the same time. This is my go-to-market scale where we start with working around ASU and Tempe campus. We move to work with all ASU campuses around the metropolitan Phoenix area. And our third big step to reach a wide variety of universities in highly dense and populated areas. And so it's not just located in Arizona, but all community colleges and universities throughout the United States. Get to know our founding team. It would be me. I would be the head captain of this project. I'm an aspiring engineer wanting to combat sustainability and make a change. Co-founder would be David, my friend David, who's also an engineer looking to advance technologies with a more sustainable approach, and my friend Mark, who is also an engineer. He has a lot of experience working as a machinist and a technician, and so he would be our go-to person that would help create more unique solutions when it comes to um, difficult products. Thank you for learning about industrial upcycle revolution.